Your Defender HD11 either came with no audio or it came with the factory audio. That doesn't come close to what this vehicle deserves. This is how you fix it. This is the SSV Works Phased Audio Kit for the 2026 up Defender HD11 with the BRP Touchscreen. This kit integrates the factory BRP Touchscreen, using it as the media source. So there's no extra radio, no random controller, and no hacking up the dash. You get clean factory control with real aftermarket power and performance. Phase 4 starts with our overhead soundbar, mounted right above the front windshield, loaded with 4 6.5-inch speakers, giving you loud, clear, full-range audio right where you need it. Then we add our ported subwoofer enclosure with our SSV Works V10 10-inch subwoofer. Power comes from the 800-watt 4-channel amp for the speakers and an 850-watt mono amp for the sub. Phase 5 takes everything from Phase 4 and adds rear 6.5-inch speakers, giving the whole cab clean, balanced sound, not just the front seats. Phase 7 takes the Phase 5 kit and adds a second subwoofer. If you want the biggest, hardest hitting system in your HD11, Phase 7 is the one. These kits come in K-Spec and V-Spec. K-Spec is kicker KML speakers, which is a strong upgrade over factory, but V-Spec is the system we built to set the bar. Our SSV Works V6 speakers deliver wider range, cleaner output, stronger vocals, and better overall performance. And with V-Spec, your SSV speakers, subwoofers, and enclosures are backed by our limited lifetime warranty. This system looks clean in factory, but it's built for real Defender use. Mud, sand, snow, UV, water, and power washing. The components are built to take the abuse without cracking, fading, or falling apart. Marine grade should not be the standard. This is purpose-built power sports audio. SSV Works is the original UTV audio brand, and we back what we build. Our V-Spec speakers, SSV subwoofers, and enclosures are all protected by our industry-leading no BS limited lifetime warranty. No other power sports audio brand comes close. If you want your Defender HD11 to hit harder, play louder, and sound like a true high-performance aftermarket audio system, this is the kit.